Trenton Tower, Citrus 533, is visual 34.
Citrus 533, Trenton Tower, number 2 to 5, suspect traffic, just turning a 2-mile right base to final.
We're looking at Citrus 533.
Alright, Citrus 533, suspect traffic to final, just come up on a short final, runway 34, clear to land.
Alright, clear to line 34, Citrus 533.
Trenton Tower, number 509, Foxtrot Golf. We are about 8 miles southeast of the airport, bound for full stop.
Number 5280, Victor, make your way back into the airport, make straight to runway 34, port a 5-mile final.
Straight in runway 34, port 5-mile final, and we've got everything for golf.
That was for November 5280, Victor.
My mistake, 509, Foxtrot Golf.
Report 5-mile final, 5280, Victor, 34.
509 Foxtrot Golf, report the 2-mile right base for runway 34.
2-mile red base, runway 34, 509, Foxtrot Golf.
509 Foxtrot Golf, just start heading towards the runway there, don't go southbound.
We're turning inbound now, 509 Foxtrot Golf.
To the 533, you turn right there, Hotel 1, hotel in the parking. To the 533, turn right there on Hotel 1, hotel in the parking.
We're going to be disabled here on the runway. We just blew a tower.
Alright, number 5280, Victor, just break out and remain outside Class Delta airspace for now.
We'll remain outside Class Delta 5280, Victor.
Number 509 Foxtrot Golf, tell you what, join the left downwind for runway 6 now.
That's for 509 Foxtrot Golf, left downwind for 6.
Yeah, just overfly the runway and join the left downwind.
You got it, thanks. We'll do that, left downwind for 6, 509 Foxtrot Golf.
Number 5280, Victor, you can continue inbound and join the right downwind for runway 6 now.
Joining right downwind for runway 6, 5280, Victor.
Jet 533, we got somebody coming out for you there.
Yeah, I just want to let us know what's going on here. I think the nose tower is blown.
Roger, copy that.
Turn ground, Chief 34.
Chief 34, ground.
With 3, I'd like to head up to the citation.
Chief 34 and 2, you proceed Alpha Delta Delta 2 onto runway 16, holding short of runway 6 at all times.
Chief 34 and 3, Alpha Delta is Delta 2 on the holding short of 6 at all times. Hey, you got a discrete frequency for the ops guys here?
I don't have a ground. That's what. Come up with ground frequency 121.9.
Better. I got exit shit 533.
Chief 34, you can talk to the pilot on ground frequency there.
Appreciate that. Check ahead. Are you seeing a blown nose tower? Because we had a severe cavitation on landing. So I'm assuming that the nose tower is blown. I don't have any steering. I'll walk up and check it out. Let you know.
Ground, rescue 34.
Rescue 34, ground.
I'm on Delta 2. I need to do a 5 check from here down to 3-4 approach.
Rescue 34, roger. Just hold your position there for a moment.
Holding on Delta 2, rescue 34.
Rescue 34, you proceed full length runway 16. 180 is approved, but hold short of 6 on the way back.
Full length 16, 180, holding short of 624 on the way back.